Welcome to our channel. Getting started with YouTube TV gives you access to live television and unlimited DVR storage. Step 1. Open a web browser and navigate to tv.youtube.com or download the YouTube TV app from your device's app store. Step 2. Click on the Try It Free or Sign Up button prominently displayed on the homepage. Step 3. Sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, create a Google account by clicking the Create Account option. Step 4. Enter your home zip code when prompted. This determines which local channels are available in your area. Step 5. Review the channel lineup and features included in the YouTube TV subscription. Step 6. Select your preferred subscription plan and click Continue. Step 7. Enter your payment information, including credit card details, or select PayPal as your payment method. Step 8. Review the subscription terms, including the free trial period and the monthly cost after the trial ends. Step 9. Click Purchase or Start Trial to confirm your subscription and activate YouTube TV. Step 10. Check your email for a confirmation message with your subscription details. Step 11. Download the YouTube TV app on all your devices, including smart TVs, streaming devices, and mobile phones. Step 12. Log in using your Google account credentials on each device and start watching live TV, sports, news, and recording unlimited shows. Your YouTube TV subscription is now active. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.